Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video I'm going to show you how I created this tie-dye wrap dress. With all my outfits that I make that I have no pattern for, I use my mannequin with plastic wrap and masking tape. And then I draw my design on the masking tape. And since it's symmetrical, I only have to draw one side. And once that's cut off the mannequin, I make a mock-up for it and make any adjustments to the pattern. And this pattern consists of a back piece, two front pieces, the back of the skirt, and the two front pieces of the skirt with ties. And I made this to be more of an overshirt rather than an actual dress. It can be used as a dress, but I would cut the front of the skirt a little differently than I did. I made it more of an angle. I would have cut it straight down. Also with this pattern, I created a dart at the chest area, so that way it would actually angle in more to close the front. With the strap, I just cut a 6-inch wide strip of fabric and had it folded in half. And now I'm ironing it down, and then I open it up and use that crease I created in the middle and folded each side into that crease and ironed it down again. And then I went ahead and folded that in half again and ironed it down again. And then with the strap ironed down, I went ahead and sewed it down. This strap will actually create both of my straps. With the strap done, I really should say ties done, I go ahead and pull out the two bodice pieces and mark where those darts are according to my pattern. And then I sew those up. And once the darts are in place, I go ahead and before I connect the bodice pieces, I add the skirt pieces to the corresponding bodice piece. And once those pieces are combined, I go ahead and I stitch up the side seams and the shoulder seams. I did go ahead and serge all the edges of this dress because I am not lining it and I did not want it to fray. So here I'm actually folding the serged edge in about 1/4 of an inch to give it a really small hem. Now to attach the ties to this dress, that long strip of fabric I cut in half, and then I serged the edge that I cut so it didn't fray, and then I sewed those to the points on the bodice. And I did add sleeves to this dress, so here I'm just going to sew up the side seam of the sleeve and then attach it to the dress. And I did give a 1/2 inch hem to the sleeves. Now to add the hole for the inside strap to go through to be able to tie this dress. I used a button hole maker that my machine came with to attach it. I'm still not that great at making buttonholes, but this worked out fine. And once I opened the butthole, I did use fray check on it. And here's the final dress. I did make a matching bandana and face mask for this dress. This dress was part of Spirit Week at my daughter's school. This was for tie-dye day.
Thank you for watching this video. Bye.
If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next week. Bye!